tread depth with a penny. Here, I can go one for 15 minutes with that one.
Joe Tomcho with the 50. Nick, how does one avoid?
Oh shit! Everybody okay?
Tell me you got that on the screen.
Oh, they absolutely did.
Holy shit!
50. Nick, how does one avoid?
Oh shit! Everybody okay?
Tell me you got that on the screen.
Oh, they absolutely did.
Holy shit!
They absolutely got that.
Everybody okay?
It sounds like it's good.
What just happened?
That's our safety tech.
We got a safety tech.
Woo! Don't worry, he's on the scene.
I think someone threw a shoe in there.
Is it okay?
Oh, someone threw an elf bar in the
There's just
fire.
some lighter fluid.
No big deal.
Joe Tomcho.
A little
with the 50.
accelerant for the fire.
You can't use batteries as a fire.
I use it as an extinguisher.
Me, the guy from AC/DC, baby.
The lithium-ion fire starter.
I'm a retard.
To Joe. Check out Hobo Joe 421. Thank you. Big Smitty, thank you for the recommendations out here. Free Alpha.